Meaning of devout.
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 Devout. The term devout refers to a person's deeply held religious beliefs and commitment to practicing their faith. It implies a sense of piety, reverence, and devotion. When someone is described as devout, it suggests that they are devout in their religious practices, such as prayer, attending religious services, and following religious teachings. The word is often used to describe individuals who embody the principles of their chosen religion and live their lives in accordance with their spiritual beliefs. In short, devout describes a person who is deeply committed to their faith and religious practices.